You've probably seen a dozen Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks by now and still don't know what to trust. Is titanium gone? Are the new AI tricks just marketing? Is there anything here that will actually matter day to day? In this breakdown, we've got a physical leak, concrete details, and one upgrade that finally feels worth caring about, but it's not the one everyone is talking about. In the real world, not renders, not patents, we now have an actual Galaxy S26 Ultra SIM card tray out in the wild, and this tiny part tells us more than you'd expect. SIM trays are usually color matched to the phone's metal frame, so they're a surprisingly solid clue to final color options and overall design direction. And what this one shows is interesting. From this leak, the S26 Ultra is set to ship in black, white, blue, and purple. No orange anywhere on the Ultra, which lines up with what we're seeing from Samsung's own assets. That bold orange wallpaper you've seen tied to the S26 series almost certainly belongs to the regular S26 or S26 Plus instead, not the Ultra. But seeing color names on paper is one thing, picturing the phone is another. Using the SIM tray tones as a base, we can mock up a pretty close idea of how each S26 Ultra will look in person. These aren't official renders, just visual approximations built off the leak. On top of that, purple, specifically a violet shade, will be the hero color this year, the one Samsung pushes hardest in marketing. Yet the way these colors are applied hint at a bigger change. Look closely and there's a crucial detail. On every leaked tray, the frame color appears to match the body color. That's a big shift from the S25 Ultra and even the S24 Ultra, where every version kept the same silver titanium style frame no matter which back color you picked. And that difference instantly raises a larger question. If the frame is fully color matched, are the rumors true that Samsung is moving away from titanium and back to aluminum for the S26 Ultra? Titanium is notoriously harder to color consistently, and earlier leaks showed shade names that never once used the word titanium. Put together, everything lines up with Samsung dropping titanium, but until we get hard confirmation, it stays a very likely, not guaranteed move. And while the frame story is still developing, one new feature is much clearer. The headline feature on the S26 Ultra right now is what's being described as a privacy display. Leaker Ahmed, who's built a solid track record, says he's actually had hands-on time with the phone and tested this mode himself. His description makes it sound very different from the cheap privacy screen protectors you might be used to. Here's what he says it does in real use. According to Ahmed, even outdoors with the brightness cranked to maximum, the S26 Ultra's display can completely hide on-screen content from side angles. At full brightness, someone sitting next to you should see essentially nothing useful on the panel. It's designed so only the person directly in front of the screen can view what's on it. The impressive part, though, is what doesn't change when it's on. He also says image quality is fully preserved in this mode. Colors remain accurate, text and graphics stay sharp, and you don't get that heavy gray dimming effect you see with typical privacy film that wrecks the look of your display. The idea here is privacy without sacrificing the premium screen you're paying for. And crucially, it's not restricted to just a handful of sensitive screens. This isn't limited to banking apps or just PIN and password screens. You'll be able to use the privacy display with any app, including chats like WhatsApp. The best part is you can hand control over to Galaxy AI, so if someone walks past or glances at your phone, the system can automatically hide content, no manual toggle needed. That same quiet in-the-background approach shows up in another new AI feature. Across the whole S26 lineup, Samsung is also adding a genuinely practical AI behavior tied to your calendar. When you add an event, your phone can inform other apps that you're busy. So you might schedule a meeting for 4 p.m., then later get a WhatsApp, Instagram, or SMS asking, "Are you free today?" And your phone will give you a gentle nudge that you've already blocked that time. It's basically a now nudge feature Samsung is debuting with the S26 lineup, but it's designed to do more than just watch your calendar. It's essentially Samsung's version of Google's Magic Queue, built to understand context across your entire phone and surface subtle, helpful prompts without you asking. I'm genuinely looking forward to this one. If Samsung actually nails it, this is the kind of AI people want. Quiet, practical, and almost invisible most of the time. And at the top end, Samsung is pairing that software with more memory. Ahmed also notes that the S26 Ultra will offer a 16GB RAM option on the 1TB variant, though realistically that configuration will likely be limited to certain regions just like on the S25 Ultra. Most markets should still see 12GB of RAM even on the 1TB model. If you want more, I've got 5 extra S26 Ultra updates, including one that could make it the fastest phone in the world. Tap here next.